Today I am featuring some brand new 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom houses on the North Coast region of Jamaica. Take a look. So this is what my featured brand new 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom houses look like. These houses are located on the North Coast region of Jamaica. These houses are brand new, just built. Take a look, pick your choice. All of them is nice. Please remember to subscribe. This house is located in the Falmouth region of Jamaica, gated community. Yes, so for all those people who love a safe community, this is a community for you. And we will feature how these houses have been built. So I give you an insight from the foundation work to the casting of the foundation, the steel work, so you can get to see how these houses were built from scratch to finish. These are very strong houses and properly designed. So you can watch through this video and see how these houses are built, properly constructed, professional workman, neat finish. These workmen and work crew do a good job. Yes, they do. Please remember to like, subscribe. So they spend time out, properly steeled, and then box these building up, cast, remove unnecessary thing, and look at the beauty of this building. This building is properly built and very strong building, will last for a lifetime. See, measurement to the T. These buildings haven't do any finishing as yet, and look at them. They are neat. That's the accuracy of measurement. Professional. And as I said, this is a gated community, and it's in the region of the North Coast, the Falmouth region. Brand new houses. Professional. professional carpenter. If this video is educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Properly paint, good color coordination, and some of these houses, I think, yes, you have a sea view, like and you can see the ocean. So it all depends on the location of this gated community, or you can see the ocean. So it's a good look. It's a good view. If you think this video was educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this.